Hello and welcome to the video. Today we're going to show you how to install our Pro 4 roof rack crossbar system, designed specifically for vehicles with bare, normal roofs. This system is custom fit for each vehicle, meaning it's not universal, and it provides a secure, aerodynamic, and no-drill installation. We'll go step by step so you can mount it safely and correctly. Let's get started. Open the box and gather all the necessary tools. Unlock all of the head units and remove the caps. Insert the head units into the aluminum profiles on each end. Apply the rubber bases under each head unit. Insert the protective sticker onto all sides of the car, making sure it's aligned with the metal bracket. This will help prevent any scratches during installation. Place the head unit on top of your vehicle and make sure to align the aluminum profile with the center. The thinner side of the profile should face toward the back to help reduce noise. After placing the head unit on top of your car, first tighten the bolt that secures the aluminum profile to the head unit. Make sure it is firmly connected. Important: tighten the metal bracket by working on both sides evenly, a little at a time, to ensure even pressure and a proper fit. Depending on your car's make and model, the bracket may vary, but the same steps apply in all cases. Next, hold the aluminum profile and give it a firm shake. If it doesn't move or vibrate, that means it's installed correctly. Cut the excess rubber strap from underneath and place it back over the uncovered section underneath the rack. Place the end caps on all ends of the aluminum profiles and tighten them using a screwdriver. Insert the key into the plastic cap, turn to open, place it on the head unit, then lock it securely. The cap will only open when the key is in the unlock position, so pay attention to that. And this is how the roof rack looks once it's fully installed. As you can see, it's secure, clean, and ready to carry all your gear. If you'd like to get one for your vehicle, you can order directly from powauto.com or find it on our Amazon and eBay stores as well. Thanks for watching.